Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there lay a small village at the edge of the woods.
I wish,
And in this village
more than anything,
lived a young maiden,
more than life, more than jewels.
a carefree young lad,
I wish, more than life.
and a childless baker
I wish,
with his wife. More than anything,
more than the moon. I wish the king is giving a festival.
more than life,
I wish to go to the festival.
more than riches.
I wish my cow would give us some milk. More than anything.
I wish we had a child.
I want a child. I wish to go to the festival. I wish to give us some milk. We might have a child. I wish.
You wish to go to the festival?
The poor girl's parents had died.
You, Cinderella, the festival.
You wish to go to the festival, the King's Festival.
And now she lived with her stepmother,
The festival?
who had two daughters of her own.
Look at your nails. Look at your dress.
People would laugh at you.
Nevertheless, they still wish to go to the festival and dance before the prince.
All three were beautiful of face, but vile and black of heart. The young lad had no father, and his mother,
I wish,
well, she was at her wit's end.
I wish my son were not a fool. I wish my house was not a mess. I wish the cow was full of milk. I wish the walls were full of gold. I wish a lot of things.
Oh, what in heaven's name are you doing with the cow inside the house?
I thought if you were nice and warm, you might produce some milk. It's a she. How many times do I have to tell you that only she's can give milk?
And then there was a hungry little girl who always wore a red cape.
I wish. It's not for me, it's for my granny in the woods. A loaf of bread, please, to bring my poor old hungry granny in the woods. Just a loaf of bread, please.
Cinderella, if you can pick up these lentils and finish your chores in time, then you may go to the ball with us. Come along, ladies.
Yes, Mother.
Good luck.
Come, little birds, down from the eaves and the leaves, over fields, out of castles and ponds.
No squeeze, pal.
Quick little birds, flick through the ashes, pick and peck but swiftly sift through the ashes into the pot.
Now listen to me well, son. Milky White must be taken to market.
Mother, no, he's the best cow in the world.
Was. She has been dry for weeks now with no food or money and no choice but to sell her.
But Milky White's my best friend.
Look at her. There are bugs on her dugs. There are flies in her eyes. There's a lump on her rump big enough to be a hump. We've no time to sit and dither while her withers wither with her. And no one keeps a cow for a friend. Sometimes I wonder what's going on in that head of yours.
Into the woods, it's time to go. I hate to leave, I have to though. Into the woods, it's time, and so I must begin my journey. Into the woods and through the trees to where I am expected, ma'am. Into the woods to grandmother's house. Into the woods to grandmother's house.
Are you certain of your way?
The way is clear, the light is good. I have no fear, nor no one should. The woods are just trees, the trees are just wood. I sort of hate to ask it, but do you have a basket?
Yes, we do.
I don't suppose you're planning on buying any of these.
Oh, shh. Now, don't stray and be late, all right?
You might save some of those sweets for Granny. Oh my...
Deadly fish.
She's a thief!
Into the woods and down the dell, the path is straight, I know it well. Into the woods, and who can tell what's waiting on the journey? Into the woods to bring some bread to Granny, who is sick in bed. Never can tell what lies ahead, for all that I know, she's already dead. But into the woods, into the woods, into the woods, to grandmother's house and home before dark.
Cinderella! Get up here!
Fly, birds, back to the sky.
We're waiting!
Back to the eaves and the leaves and the fields and the...
Hurry up and do my hair, Cinderella. Are you really wearing that? Here I found a little tear, Cinderella. Can't you hide it with a hat?
You look beautiful.
I know. She means me.
No, she didn't. Mother said be good. Father said be nice. That was always their advice.